Have you come across the Luhxe Travel Bag 2.0 and are thinking of buying it? Before you place that order, let's take a closer look. Is this really the ultimate travel companion for 2024? Or just another stylish bag with big promises? Let's go through the key details so you can decide if it's worth packing on your next trip. The Luhxe Travel Bag 2.0 is promoted as a smart and space-saving alternative to bulky suitcases. With features like detachable wheels, wrinkle-free storage, and airline carry-on approval, it claims to offer both fashion and functionality, helping you avoid long check-in lines and extra fees. But before you buy, there are a few things you should check. First, look at the pricing. Is it part of a limited-time deal or bundled with bonus gifts? These tactics are often used to push quick sales. Always confirm whether the discount is real or just marketing hype. Next, check the product photos and features. Are the images original and detailed? Look for claims like holding 38 items of clothing, fitting 5 pairs of shoes, convertible carry options, and savings on baggage fees. But make sure the features match what real users have experienced. Then, review the seller's transparency. Is there a company name, real address, or brand history listed on the website? If not, that's a red flag. Also, verify the contact info. Does the website offer real-time support, a verified email, or phone number? If you only find a basic contact form, that's not enough. And don't forget to search for real reviews. Go beyond what the site shows. Check YouTube packing videos, travel forums, Reddit threads, or other platforms. If you only find generic 5-star ratings with no real feedback, be cautious. Lastly, use a domain age checker to see how long the site has been active. A brand new website with viral ads, but no track record, might not be trustworthy. The Luhxe Travel Bag 2.0 could be a great option for travelers who want lightweight, organized, and flexible packing. But always do your research before buying. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend, and let us know in the comments. Have you ever used a travel bag like this? Was it worth it?